Hi, I'm your Everyday Joe. Thanks for checking out this video. Today, I'm going to be making my version of a waffle double cheeseburger in the air fryer. Let's get to it. For the bun, I'm not going to be using just a regular bulky roll. I'm using waffles. Like on my Eggo, we're using 3. We're going to need 3 waffles for this because it's a double tier, similar to a Big Mac. The only difference is they're waffles, and I'm going to treat them with a little ghee. And you guys that don't know what ghee is, it's basically just a clarified butter. It's the butter that's been melted and kind of all the milk solids are taken out of it. So I'm going to take a brush, just get into that here, and I'm just going to brush the tops here because I want that flavor, that butter flavor. Okay, so we're just going to get in there with that butter ghee. All right, so I'm only going to do the one side. The opposite side, I'm going to leave it that way because I want it a little bit more crispy. So let's put that here. And I've got 2 beef patties here. These are 80/20 grass-fed beef that I bought in Costco. First time I've seen them there, So we're going to give these a try. Got tomato, got Swiss cheese, and some jalapenos that we're going to be adding to this concoction. So first thing we're going to do is toast up these waffles. Now, if you have a waffle iron and you want to make them fresh, even better. I've got these frozen waffles pre-made. So we're going to get these in the air fryer, right on the top shelf here. And, it's going to be real quick here. So 400 degrees for about 3 minutes or so, just until they start getting a little crispy. Okay, we're going to let that toast up. In the meantime, I'm going to season up my burgers. I'm using this Chicago steak seasoning from Weber. I've been putting this stuff on everything. It's great. Just be aware that it can be a little peppery, a little salty. So, don't overdo it. But you definitely want to get enough on there. So I'm just going to press that in like that. All right. And I'm going to get the back side too, because you want to flavor both sides. All right. All right, like that. Tap that in, tap that in. Give a little thumb action here in the center, just so it doesn't puff up. So you just want to press it in a little bit here. That'll keep it from puffing up. Like that, like that. All right, so I took the waffles out. So let's get the burgers on here. So I'm just gonna get it on this hot grid here, screen. Okay, let's put that on there. And I've also put some potato wedges in there, just as a go along with this. So we're gonna get that as close to the heat as possible. All right. We're gonna go 400 degrees for about 10 minutes here. So let's grab some of this ghee flavored waffle. So we're going to put that on the bottom. And I'm going to add a little bit of this. This is just a ketchup, mayonnaise, and a little bit of yellow mustard sauce. A little bit on the bottom. Not too much. I don't want the bottom to get soggy. So let's get that. Let's put one of these burgers on there. Next, we're going to go with the center piece. This one here, we're going to add a little bit of extra sauce. Let's get this over here. So we're going to fill up all these little nooks and crannies, or waffle holes. Okay. So we're going to get that and turn that upside down on there, give it a little press. And I'm going to get a little bit more on this other side. Because hey, we got to have enough flavor on this, enough of this special sauce. Now you can add a little bit of hot sauce to it if you like. Okay, I did not. So let's get the next burger on there. Okay, we're going to get 2 slices of tomato, nice and pretty, and get some lettuce on there. Why not? Put the lettuce on the top, or do you go to the bottom? It's your call. I like it on the top. And we're going to add some of these jalapenos on it, sliced jalapeno peppers. Get that on the top. And get some more of this sauce on the top one. Come on, we can get as much flavor as we want on this. So we're calling this the Mac Daddy Joe Burger. Better than McDonald's. All right, let's get the top on there. Give it a little oof, little oof. All right, put that aside. Get that aside. Made some wedge fries here, just to take up the space in the dish. I'm more interested in this waffle burger. I mean, check this thing out. Yeah, pretty badass, huh? So, I don't know, should I cut it? Should I bite into it? What do you think? I think I'm going to try biting into it. Oh, really go. Oh, that's good. You can get that buttery flavor from the waffles. The special sauce, fantastic. Not that special. Everybody uses it. The jalapenos, just a little bit of a kick in the background. The burger's actually pretty good. Pretty good, nice flavor to them. Hope you enjoyed my Mac Daddy Joe Burger. Double tier cheeseburger on waffles. Give me some thumbs up. Give me some comments. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe. It helps out the channel. Check out some of our videos here from the playlist, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.